Hello! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the middle button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the connectivity option. Then tap on it. Here, scroll down and tap on the NFC option. And right here we can enable or disable the NFC. To enable it, tap on the switch to flick it on. And once you flick it on, it will turn to blue. And also you will see the Google Pay option, which means that the NFC is enabled. And to disable the NFC, of course, enter this NFC menu and tap on the switch to flick it off. It will be grayed out, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.